We're here to do several things today. First thing is, we want to introduce our new store. So welcome to Block 10 Alabang. And we also wanted to launch our brand.
That's right.
So we're here to launch our new brand, Vroom Helmets. So nakita namin, yun nga, di ba? And a lot of young people nagmumotor, na-notice namin two problems. One, especially pag yung mga freebie na helmet, hindi ko naman nila lahat, but a lot of yung mga freebie na helmets, hindi naman sila talaga, alam naman natin hindi sila higher quality. Hindi lahat So we want to give a safe helmet. Pangalawang problema, a lot of the helmets in the market are big. Kung napapansin nyo, di ba? When we started with VRM, malalaki po, karamihan po ng helmets oversized, hindi siya designed para sa mga Pilipino. So we wanted to have a modern helmet that's also small and lightweight. So yan naman ginawa yung Vroom. So Vroom is small shell, like VRM helmet, small shell, lightweight, breathable pads po yan, removable pads, adjustable vents, and may spoiler na rin siya, dual visor, tapos may extra visor pa. And since gusto namin accessible pati sa mga bata, nakaedad natin.
Yes.
We're introducing the helmets at only 2,800 pesos. So yung price point talaga niyan is low for everything it has.
Of course, we would like to call in our good friend, fellow rider, Jay Tarong. Please join us here on stage. Pero lang tayo, tagi-tagisa kayo. Idol, any words for us this morning?
First of all, good morning to each and every one of you. And gusto ko lang i-correct si Attorney Ben, no? Sorry, Attorney, Sabi mo, maliit ang ulo ng nating mga Pinoy. Speak for yourself. Congratulations to VRM for this launch. And alam naman natin, naging witness tayo sa paglaki, paglago ng Vintage Rider Manila since nagsimula sila noong 2017 ba, offering affordable helmets, classic-looking helmets. Paborito namin ni Mark Lakay, mga classic-looking helmets, bagay na bagay sa mga classic bike. And now the Vroom. And bago yung store natin dito sa Block 10. This is my first time here. Napakagandang lugar. So congratulations again and mabuhay.